The rollout of digital cinema and its impact on film culture. Leo in Tignat boldly asserts, film is not going to be a part of mainstream popular culture for much longer. I give it between 5 and 10 years. Let's explore this statement further. The motion picture industry came to be over a century ago, notably in 1895 when the Lumiere brothers patented the cinematograph, a motion picture technology that combined a camera and printer which could then be connected to a projector. 35mm film prints were primarily used in commercial cinema up into the 1990s, when the digital theatre evolved. Digital distribution and projection was appealing for many reasons. It was cheaper for mass production, projections were of better quality, as film prints would get damaged after many screenings, it was more secured from piracy, and it was more flexible for programming in the cinema. Director George Lucas held a great social influence in regards to digital film, as he enthusiastically supported it, stating that he would never make another film on film again, after his release of Star Wars Episode II, which was produced and projected digitally. Here Lucas brings up a significant cultural impact of the conversion to digital cinema. The definition of the word film itself has evolved as a result, and Tignap explores this further, writing, in a technological sense, it describes a flexible, transparent solid onto which is coated a photosensitive emulsion, which in turn records an image when exposed to light. In a cultural sense, it is widely used as a generic term, usually conforming to a set of narrative and cultural conventions that determine what a film should be. The cultural implications of digital film continue to exist in the way we watch and make movies. In 1964, film shifted from a cinema-only experience to the comfortable home environment with the invention of the video cassette recorder. The digitalization of film in the 1990s meant that the digital versatile disc, or the DVD, replaced the VCR tape, with higher definition home viewing. This has evolved further to online streaming services such as Netflix, where for a small monthly cost we may now expand our home theatre to thousands of movies that take up no physical space and can be searched at the click of a button. Perhaps the greatest cultural impact of the digital rollout of film is our new role as amateur filmmakers. Today, video is embedded into the Western world's most relied upon device, the smartphone. With Apple's latest iPhone recording 4K resolution video, our mobile phones can now meet the same standard of film as digital cinema. We now live in a world where we all partake in the digital revolution as amateur filmmakers. As photography academic Susan Sontag states, it is mainly a social right, a defense against anxiety, and a tool of power. When Tignap says that film is not going to be a part of mainstream popular culture for much longer, he's very much correct. However, the shifting definition of film as a result of the digital rollout means that digital film will continue to evolve and have significant influence over mainstream popular culture now and into the future.